now I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a graphic that you have. So let's say we had a graphic over here and I had a picture of myself. I can pull up, I do not have that one. Let's go to, let's go to photos. And let's take this chick, okay? So I'm going to go to Effects, Background Remover, and watch what it's going to do. This is really good if you have product photos from your company or things that you're allowed to go ahead and edit yourself. You can actually use this, and now you can add a background to it, or you can just pull this over and have this as the forefront and add some text. It is not perfect by any means, but man, is it good. It is a really cool feature to have. Like I said, you can add a background if you wanted. You can pull a background in to the graphic, and now you're sitting on top of, this. It's just a really cool feature to be able to play with, but you can remove the background from just about anything by clicking on the graphic. You can upload your own graphics to do that too. You can see from my uploads. Let's grab something from my uploads. And let's take this one, for example. Let's take this chick and hit the Effects and Background Remover. And you're kind of at the mercy of what it's doing, but that's kind of cool. That is just kind of cool. Now you have a chick looking the other way. So there's all kinds of things you can do with it, but this is something really fun and handy to play with.